You see that little bird? It's a very skittish bird, so I'm not talking very much. Every now and then, right there, you see Raspy's tail? Man, that cat he's intent on that little bird. I'm not sure if that bird is going to get on the sill or not. It seems like he sees Raspy. He's just not sure. There's birdseed, cracked corn, and stuff like that on the windowsill. The last of it. He definitely wants to come get some, but he, I think, definitely sees Raspy. Or he sees me. Look at Raspy's tail. You know, I'm not showing it, obviously, but people right behind the bush are taking the laundry to their car. Everest it.